We received an invitation in the post one Monday morn to attend our cousin's wedding. Oh, please don't clap along. This is a temple of art. My husband come home Friday with a brand new motor car. He told me I could drive it. I said, Brian, you're a star. We drove down to the boozer for a vodka and a fag. And of course we had to celebrate the purchase with a shag. We go dogging. We go dogging. We're a treat for any passers-by out jogging. We do it because we found that when people crowd around, it is somewhat more profound when you're dogging.
Within their walls you'll see such a revelation.
Sing it, sister.
You'll find that Tesco's finest is the Holy Grail. And in the coming by from their website to the sky, you'll marvel at their range of goods on sale.
Amen.
So sinners, come and join the pilgrims on the Tesco Trail. Tesco saves.
Yes, Tesco saves.
Tesco saves.
Yes, Tesco saves.
Oh, Jesus saves, but Tesco saves you more.
You're needed if you think a taking fight is 50.